Good evening mga chikalabs na besh ko at sa mga besh kong inspired. For tonight's video, dito lang naman kami magdi-dinner ni Sir Boss Nathan sa Super Siomai. Ang Super Siomai ay located lang naman po sa Pasiano, Calamba City. Sa may Rizal Village lang po. Pagpasok mo sa may left side, medyo tago siya pero itanong mo lang at itry natin, mukhang masarap siya guys. Simple lang ang place nila, tara samahan nyo kami. Dito po kami magdi-dinner for tonight's video. So let's see kung masarap ang siomai mo. Hi Doc! Ayan, dito po kami mag-dinner. Ayan, tingnan natin kung masarap ang super siomai ni Doktora. Ayan, try po natin. Simple lang yung ambience niya guys. Ayan, diba? So mamaya mag-rate tayo 1 to 10. So honest review lang po. And I am sorry Doktora kung ano yung mabigay kong rate. Yes, honest lang po ang best. So, ayan. Lagayan pa lang po ng sauce. Power na.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Shala-shala po si Doktora. And
Chili.
Chili oil.
Garlic.
Garlic. Saka yung, pareho lang soy sauce. At syempre ang, what you call this? Kalamansi. Ang kalamansi po. Ayan. Tinanong ko po siya kung unlimited. Unlimited po ba? Church sa iyo. Pumayag naman po siya. Doktora, top this. Pag ako talaga malulugi ka dito. Sure lang po. Ayan ha. Pa? Ang sarap naman. Parang yung juice po nila na iced tea. Lasang ano? Parang may vitamin C pa. O, pa? Mabait ang staff ni Doktora Jamie. After nito, niready na niya yung mga pagkain namin and then tara samahan nyo kami at i-rate ko mamaya.
Move your feet, we going up. Way too hot, it's burning up. Yeah, I just wanna party right now. I just wanna party right now. Move your body, let's turn it up. We too hot, it's burning up. Yeah, I just wanna party right now. I just wanna party right now. It feels good, stepping out in the sun. We just here to have a good time. Oh yeah, it feels good. Shake it off, do it right. We ain't stopping till the night is done. You can't get enough. Right into the dawn. We should let it go. I know what you want. You can't get enough. Right into the dawn. We should let it go. I know what you want. It feels good, stepping out in the sun. We just here to have a good time. Oh yeah, it feels good.
Rate po namin ni Sir Nathan. Sir Nathan, ilan? 1 to 10? 9. So, ayan. Actually, yan. Ako rin po, syempre wala namang perfect. 1 to 10, 9. Ayan. So, ayan. Maraming salamat na. Mas masarap sa